Hello, good morning. I thought I would quickly show you a couple of things that I regularly make, a couple of remedies, because I think using your own home cleaning products is really an effective way of getting your house clean without damaging the environment or you, and it does work out cost effective. So I'm going to make some of my stainless steel and glass cleaner. So I've already added 10 drops of essential oil. I did that before I even thought about doing this. Now I'm going to add, because this is a 550 milliliter bottle, glass bottle. With oils you always want dark glass. I'm going to add 50%. It's going to be 250 mils of white wine vinegar. White wine vinegar, it's still vinegar. I don't know what planet I'm on today. And then I'm going to add the same amount of deionized water. And that, people, is how you make the most wonderful stainless steel and glass cleaner. That's it. That's how quick it is. I really specialise in quick remedies and recipes, and it smells divine, and it will do everything I need it to do. The next one I'm going to make is furniture polish. You don't need to clean your furniture that regularly. You need to basically be doing your furniture maybe once every 2 months. I mean, you do need to dust regularly with a microfiber cloth or something to that extent. But in terms of basically feeding the wood, which is what we want to do, we have to feed it olive oil. Again, this has already got the essential oil in it because, as I said, I forgot. So what I'm going to do with this is add 100 ml of olive oil, which, you know, given the price of olive oil at the moment, is extremely expensive, isn't it? And this is old Spanish olive oil, because I get on better with Spanish olives than I do with Italian ones because of my heritage. It's very important to get your DNA tested and know where you're from in terms of diet and what will work for you. This is something I regularly recommend to people. So with this one, what I'm doing is I'm pouring in the same amount of vinegar. I might actually make it a little bit more. So I've got 100 mils. I might put a bit more in there because maybe not actually. I think that feels about right. I'll make sure I get all the last vestiges of olive oil, but that is literally it. That is how simple my recipes tend to be, because I'm a busy woman. I don't have time to mess around, and I want I want a really good clean, and I want things that smell nice, and I don't want things that damage the environment, and I want things that feed and restore, which is what olive oil and lemon together do. And it's the lemon oil, not the lemon juice, that we want to feed the wood with, although I think you probably can do it with a lemon as well. So et voila. So there we have it. 2 quick and simple recipes. If you like that kind of thing and you'd like to know how to make more recipes, like your own facial washes, skin creams, what else do I recommend making? I make those two. I make an all-purpose cleaner that I use around the house, in the bathrooms and the kitchens. How to clean things, how to do the whole thing. I've done a wonderful course on it on the Oily Witch Academy, which you can go to on www.oilywitch.com and select household cleaners or beauty products or health products, etc. And I'll keep trying to do these to show you how quick and simple things are and what you can do for yourself to live well. And I think the courses are only £33 and they are amazing. So get buying, everyone, and hopefully you'll live a cleaner, greener life. If you've got any questions, give me a shout.